You tricked us, SGX. We thought you were going to do the test. Oh, shoot. The Zone Guard Plus activated twice? And the WR400 went off for the first time. And the first alert did a 6 hour. But the 260 didn't activate. Bruh. Okay, that was a pretty good test, although I filmed a bit late. I thought they were going to do the test within the next 20 to 30 minutes, but they did the test early. Then the Zone Guard Plus decided to activate twice. And this is also the first alert for the weather tracker. It activated for unrecognized message, just like the Zone Guard did. The Zone Guard Plus, the Zone Guard didn't activate it. Okay, so this was the first activation. This also went off for unrecognized message. 3 radios activated for unrecognized freaking message. This went off for a 6 hour. This activated for the first time. So did this. This also activated. Did this activate? I don't think it did. This didn't activate. The pineapple didn't activate for the gosh darn test. And none of these weather radios here activated except for the Midland HH54 here. But yeah, that was a good test. Now I know that the WR400 works. But yeah, that concludes today's weekly test for January 27th, 2021. There was also supposed to be a flash flood watch issued, but they didn't even mention it yet. But yeah, that's so here's the synopsis on today's test. Out of all these weather radios that activated for the test, only this one activated for the test. No others on that bookshelf did. But over here, this one activated for the first time, which I was super happy about. This activated, this activated like it always does. This actually went off for unrecognized message. This weather radio has not gone off for an alert in a long time, and I'm truly glad that this one activated for an alert. The Zone Guard Plus activated for unrecognized message twice. Once after the attention header, 1050 Hz tone, and once after, a few seconds after the end of message tones. This one, the Eton FR800, it also activated for unrecognized message, and it went off a few seconds after the Zone Guard Plus did after the end of message tones. This one activated for test, and these 4 weather radios activated for 6 hour events. May not be 6 hour for the Etons. This one is going to, it's going to go off at 5:52. So that's going to be done going off of that in 20 minutes. And this one, that's going to go at 7:59. But yeah, I figured out that you could do that in Eton weather radios, which is super cool. But yeah. The SP2100 did not activate, sadly. Neither did the 260 or the Kobe. And this one did go off for the test. So 6 hour unrecognized message, 6 hour unrecognized message twice. 6 hour unrecognized message after the end of message tones, and 6 hour test. And all the other radios that went off for the test. This one did not go off, strangely, but I'm not too sure if this went off either, because I'm not too sure it did, because all those other weather radios were sounding. I can't tell if the sound was active on the Kobe, so. And this one did go off just normal weekly test. So it was the first activation for the weekly test for the HH54 VP. I mean, it came with a rechargeable battery pack. I'm not too sure how I can tell it's a VP2 yet. But this one went off. This one activated for the first time. This one activated for the first time. This one activated for the first time. And this one this one was the first time that activated in a long time. So, but yeah, that is today's test. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content. That's it. Sorry for the unfocusedness. Why is it not focusing? It's only focusing close, but whatever. But yeah, that's it.